Hello guys, and welcome to another WizardWatch video. Today we're gonna do a fun video. In this video I'm going to show you how to restore, renew, clean your bronze watch. I will show you how to remove the patina and make the bronze watch look like new. In this method you only need three things. The first one is ketchup, the second one is a toothbrush, and the third one is a toothpaste. The first thing we will do, we're gonna put the watch with the ketchup. You need to do something like 50% ketchup, 50% water, or 70% ketchup and 30% water. So I will show you the patina in my bronze watch. This is a Ventus, the North Star. So check the patina over here, and after that we will see how the watch look when we will restore it. So as you see, I have black marks over here, and also on the back it's like really black. And here. So let's start. Okay guys, so this is the first step. As I said, we're gonna put the watch in the ketchup, something like 10 minutes, and every 2-3 minutes we're gonna come and give it a little brush with the toothbrush. And after 10 minutes we're gonna wash it and then clean it with the toothpaste. So as I said, first we're gonna put the watch 3 minutes and then we come and rub it. Basically, this is what you need to do, that the whole ketchup will cover the watch, something like this. And you don't need to be afraid that it will damage the loom or something like this, because it's a natural material. So basically that's it. Wait for 3 minutes and then we'll come and rub it. So as I said, after 3 minutes we will come and rub the watch with the toothbrush. Do it like this on everything. In the end of the video I will give you macro shots to see the results, but already in this step you can see that it removes some of the patina and the bronze start to look like new. So we'll do this step 2 more times after 3 minutes, every time after 3 minutes, and then after 10 minutes we're gonna wash the watch, clean it, and then we will move to the second step with the toothpaste. Okay, so this is the last rub after 10 minutes. As I said, we're gonna brush the watch one more last time, and then we're gonna wash it, clean it, and then we're gonna work with toothpaste. I hope you can see, but the watch already look like new. Okay, right now we're gonna wash the watch and then we're gonna work with the toothpaste. So we clean the watch, let's give it a look. And as we already can see, the watch looks so much cleaner. Still there is a black spots over here and there, and toothpaste will remove it. So the next step, we will work with the toothpaste, and this is the final one. So as you saw with the ketchup, it's the same process. Put a little bit water, now the toothpaste, and again rub everything, also the buckle, and basically wash it again, and that's it. Trying to wait that the camera will focus. Oh, there you go. It's already look like new, better than before. So let's get to work. I'm gonna rub everything, every area, exactly the same with the ketchup. Put a little bit water. As I said, also the buckle. Two, 3 minutes, it will be more than enough. Okay, I think that's enough. If you're not satisfied from the results, you can do this process again, and most likely the watch will look like new. So right now I'll wash the watch, and then we will see the final results. Okay guys, then we're back. Now we'll see the final results. I also will show you a side-by-side picture that you will see the difference. But as you can see, the buckle, everything looks like new. As I said, if you're not happy with the results, you can do this process again, and then definitely the watch will look 100% like new. Now let's check the watch. As you see, it's actually amazing, all this process. Case looks amazing, clean, new. You can see even now the polish areas over here, the bevel. Amazing. As I said, there is some spots that I couldn't remove. Maybe if I will do it again, it will definitely remove them. But I'm really happy with the results. The watch looks like new. And you can see now the results before and after. And that's it guys. I hope you enjoy in this video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.